Amazon went from being $100 billion to $1,000 billion company. Incredible, right? And what's their secret? Well, it's all up in the clouds. Come fly with me on this journey as I reveal how clouds and DevOps made Amazon one of the most successful companies in the world. Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Bay by Learnbay. Cloud technology and DevOps development has been driving forces behind Amazon's rapid growth. But what exactly is cloud technology? Cloud technology allows a company to store and access their data and application over the internet, instead of their own physical servers. This allows for the greater flexibility and scalability. Now, DevOps is a bit more complex, but essentially refers to the collaborations between development operation teams to improve the speed and quality of software delivery. But integrating DevOps practices, Amazon was able to streamline their development process and quickly roll out new features and products. But it's not just about technology. Amazon's success can also be attributed to their forces on customer satisfaction. By constant gathering customer feedback and using it to improve their services, they were able to stay ahead of competition. At the beginning of their web service, Amazon was able to read and write requests. This event led them to host the AWS reInvent conference, in which a lot of software engineers helped Amazon remodel their web service with AI, which helped them double their revenue. And with their vast resources, they were able to invest in new techniques and acquire other companies like Module, Viman, Agility Robotics, Bionic Hive, and Mantis Robotics. These investments helped Amazon to improve the safety of their employees with wearable devices, which gives out prompt alert to reduce injuries. Management with computer vision and AI. Introduction to autonomous robotic solution enabled them to function floor to ceiling in warehouse with ease. So there you have it, the secret to Amazon's success. Cloud technology, DevOps development, and focus on customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Do not forget to follow Learnbay.